Hey guys, welcome back to Campbell Workshop. Last week we wove the paper daisies into a crown. It might be slightly difficult for the beginners to understand the weaving part, so today I'm introducing a simpler way to make your own crown with a mixture of daisies and baby breath. Before we start, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, don't forget to click on the subscribe button below so you won't miss any of our new tutorials. First of all, we need to trim some 26 gauge wire into 5 cm and 10 cm. Bend a loop on the top. Take out your 90-gram beige crepe paper and cut into 2 x 0.8 cm. You can also use the scrap paper from your previous projects. We need 2 strips for each flower. Stretch the paper out a little. Add some UHU glue at the bottom of the strip and roll the paper onto the wire. Use a pair of pointy scissors to cut the tips into fringes. Tuck your scissors in the middle and go around it. Then we repeat the last few steps again. Trim a very thin strip of green paper and wrap around the bottom of the flower and the wire. Use your tweezers to expand the flower head so it looks more fluffy. If you think there is a clump of paper, use a pair of scissors to trim it again. Wrap 3 to 5 flowers together into small bundles. Now we are going to prepare the main structure of your crown. Wrap a piece of 22 gauge wire with the olive green crepe paper. If you are making a mini crown for your doll or child, you might only need a piece of 30 cm wire for the whole structure. If you are making for an adult, I would suggest you to prepare a wire in 60 to 70 cm. You can simply wrap 2 wires together at the bottom quarter to lengthen it. Next, we need to wrap the flowers to the main wire. Cut a strip of olive green paper and wrap a bundle of baby breath 5 cm below the tip of the wire. Keep wrapping and adding the small bundles of baby breath onto the wire. Shape the crown to estimate the length that we are going for. In here, I'm adding a few daisies that I've made last week. If you want, you could make a daisy mixed with baby breath from the beginning, or a crown just in baby breath or daisy. You can design your own little crown. We also simply wrap the flowers with a paper strip to secure them. Don't forget to cut the extra wire off from time to time. so your crown is not getting too thick on one side. Once we have almost reached the end, we can wrap the flower along with the opening together. Give your crown a little styling. You can also use this as a wreath with the flowers facing up. Otherwise, we need to move the daisies to the side for our crown. And my mini crown is done. Thank you for watching the video, and I hope you can be inspired by it. If you like it, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to our channel. If you want to hear more from us, we are also on Instagram. Stay tuned for our weekly tutorials. And all our DIY kits and templates are available on our website. Check them out. See you guys next week.